Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 5 assignment of the course Cloud Computing. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses including cloud computing as well. Please watch the video till the end guys, because if I make any change in between the video, you can be able to note that. So do watch full video guys. So let's see the first question. Multiple KPIs are aggregated to SLA. Is this statement true or false? So for first question, it is absolutely false, guys. So mark option B as the probable solution for first question. Now let's move on to the second one. Second question. So they have given two statements and they are asking whether these are true or false. So which of the options is or are correct? So for second question, statement 1 is false, guys. Statement 2 is true. So the answer is option B. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So mark option B as the probable solution for second question. Guys, if you are getting benefited through our channel, then definitely subscribe our channel and click the bell icon guys, so that you can get updates whenever we upload videos like this more. And definitely subscribe our channel and please like the video guys. This is the most important thing. If you want to support our channel, you can show that by liking the video. If you like the video, then it will reach much more number of students, so that they will also get benefited like you who are in need. So definitely like the video guys, so that our videos will reach more number of students. And please share this video within your WhatsApp college student groups, unofficial groups. So third question, what are the possible values of T that SLA negotiation gets honored in terms of service availability? So it will be, sorry, it should be less than or equal to 4.8 guys. So obviously option A 3 is in that level. So option A is the probable solution. So due to time constraints, we are unable to show you the process guys. But option A is the probable solution. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we'll update that in the comment section. You can also propose your own solutions if you think there should be any other solution than what we have given. But we have tested almost all the solutions guys. Fourth one, in a map reduce framework, the HDFS block size is 64 MB. We have three files of size 64 KB, 64 MB and 128 MB. How many input splits will be created by the Hadoop framework? So for fourth question, option C, 4 is the probable solution guys. So mark option C as the probable solution for fourth question. Moving on to the fifth one. Before getting into the fifth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course cloud computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. These are the combination of past NPTEL assignment MCQs as well as our own handmade MCQs extracted completely from 100% NPTEL lectures. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. Here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs guys. 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person it is 300 rupees. If you take it combinedly along with your friends or classmates in a 2 to 5 persons pack, combinedly you can get it for 500. So individually you can get for less amount. Each one will get 300 MCQs for combined price of 500 rupees only. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack guys. If you are confirmed to make the purchase, then one member from your group mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So this is the mail ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students have taken our pack in the past and got benefited and got very good marks guys. So try it now itself. You can get more time to prepare if you take it now itself. So huge number of 300 MCQs in a PDF. For one person it is 300 guys. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. Already many students, professors and associate professors also have taken our pack. So search option is available and easy to revise, and validity will be till the exam results day guys. And there is another pack guys, that is YouTube membership pack, but here you will only get 100 plus MCQs for 89 rupees only available in video format. It is only for one person and for 1 month. This is just a sample pack guys. If you want this sample pack, no need to mail me, you can directly go to our YouTube channel page. S Kumar Edu is our YouTube channel page. Beside the subscribe button, there is a join button, right? So click on that join button. Then a small page will open like this. Then a small page will open like this. Select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack, and again click on this blue color join button and make payment directly to YouTube. That's it, you will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see we have uploaded many videos including cloud computing as well. Here you can see part 2 uploaded and part 1 is also there, guys. So you can get all these videos for the same 89 rupees, no extra charge needed. You can get multiple subjects as well, guys. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing in a final exam point of view, it's better to take this huge number of 300 MCQs pack, because you are getting more number of MCQs. It will cover more syllabus compared to this sample pack. So already many students have taken this 300 MCQs pack, guys. For one person 300 rupees. If you take it combinedly, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly, it is 500 rupees, guys. So you can share the same price within within your classmates, right? So please share this news within your college groups, guys, unofficial groups, bk179417@gmail.com. Now let's get back to the solutions. Fifth question: what is or are the correct statement or statements regarding VM load management? So for fifth question, we have got three probable solutions: option A, option C, and option D. So mark A, C, and D as the probable solutions for fifth question. Now let's move on to the sixth one. Which of the following is or are the objective or objectives of resource management? So for sixth question, we have got again three probable solutions, guys. Option A, improved quality of service, QoS. Next, option B, scalability. And option D, guys, increased overhead. So mark A, B, and D as the probable solutions for sixth question. Now let's move on to the seventh one. Seventh one, the correct statements for necessary and sufficient conditions for the detection of inheritance conflict is or are. So for seventh question, I have got two probable solutions. The first one is option A, sufficient condition is current entry role and at least one exit role forms conflicting pair. And the other one is option C, necessary condition is current entry role is senior to at least one exit role. So mark option A and C, options A and C as the probable solutions or options for seventh question. Next, eighth one. So for eighth question, option C is the probable solution, guys. Next, ninth one. So for ninth question, it is absolutely true, guys. And moving on to the final question, 10th one. So before getting to know about this 10th solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So huge number of 300 MCQs. For one person, it is 300 rupees, guys. For 2 to 5 persons, if you take it in a bulk, for 2 to 5 persons, combinedly it is 500. So everyone in the group will get 300 MCQs, but the price is 500 for combined group. So you can save a lot by using this pack, guys. So bk179417@gmail.com, mail me to this email ID, guys. So if you want YouTube membership, no need to mail us. You can directly join our channel as a member. So that's it, guys. So let's see the last solution. 10th and final question. Which of the following is our resource provisioning approaches? So for 10th and final question, we have got two probable solutions. Option B, network queuing model, and the other one is option C, adaptive resource provisioning. So mark option B and option C as the probable solutions for 10th and final question. So friends, these are the probable solutions for week 5 assignment of the course cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel by clicking the bell icon as well, and definitely like the video, guys. Then our reach will increase so that every student will be able to note those changes, maximum number of students, those videos, solutions, and definitely share this with your friends and classmates, and do let them know about this 300 MCQ spec, and definitely purchase this, guys. Mail me to this email ID. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.